How to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can create a shortcut on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to create a shortcut on Snapchat, if you don't know what shortcut is basically a feature on Snapchat that we can use so that we can send snap to everybody at once without having to select each people. And if you also want to create your own shortcut, then you can just try to open the Snapchat application here, and as you do that, just take a random snap and then just tap the next option. Now as you can see, I actually have already created two shortcuts, which is this little emoji icon here. And if you also want to create a shortcut, you can tap the plus icon and tap on new shortcut. Simply make sure to give your shortcut an emoji, because you can only select emoji, and after you've done that, you can just add the people that you want to your shortcuts. After you select the add the people you want to your shortcuts, tap on the create shortcut tab, and then after that you can see our shortcut has been successfully created. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically create a shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.